Hello FreeBody family, Kat Matlock here in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. We are recovering, we are healing here after Hurricane Helene. And I want to share with you our plan for 2025. 2025, Together We Thrive. That's my little name for this year. We have 3 very particular tracks that we're going to work on this channel to help you understand your body, understand your pain, and give you a path to freedom. One track is we're continuing on the pain referral pattern playlist to help you understand where your pain is actually coming from, because most often the pain you're feeling is not actually directly where it's coming from. Number 2, stress and trauma and how that relates to pain, dysfunction, and immobility in the body. Where I'm working with a lot of people here in stress and trauma, of course, because our community was severely devastated by the geological event of Hurricane Helene. So everybody's freaking out, lots of stress, lots of trauma, lots of protection going on in the body. Everybody's low back pain, everybody's old injuries are all kind of rising their heads. So I want to help you understand stress and trauma, how that affects the body and the nervous system, and somatic practices to help you move that stress response out of your body to give you some more freedom and some hope to be able to move forward. The third track, the third playlist that I'm working on is how to use your percussion massager well. So many people have percussion massagers and they're not using it well just because they don't know how to. There's a real sort of finesse of using your percussion massager, so you're using it in the right places, you're using the right attachments, and you're knowing how to work with the fascia and the muscles at the same time. So that's the playlist number 3 that I'm working on. So we've got understanding pain referrals, we've got understanding stress and trauma, and we've got knowing how to use your percussion massager well. I'm so excited for 2025 and the extraordinary amount of material that is coming to you to help support you in the beautiful, glorious life that you're meant to live. I'm Kat Matlock here in Asheville, North Carolina, and I'll see you in the next video.